Is the Vitavix Neck Support really the life-changing device it claims to be, or just another cleverly marketed product riding on empty promises? This product boldly claims to reduce snoring, ease sleep apnea, relieve neck pain, and realign your spine all without using electricity or causing side effects. Sounds like the perfect fix, right? But when a product claims to solve multiple serious issues with one simple solution, it's important to pause and look closer. That's exactly what we did, and the results were a mix of red flags and questionable marketing tactics. First, the product is promoted using images of doctors that look either AI-generated or taken from stock photo libraries, raising doubts about the legitimacy of the endorsements. Then there's the aggressive advertising style that pushes urgency with phrases like limited stock and only 7 left, a classic technique used in low-trust e-commerce. The website also claims Vitavix Neck Support has been featured in respected media outlets like Healthline and Men's Health, but we couldn't find a single verified article or mention on those platforms. Add to that a series of overly positive, generic-sounding customer reviews that appear copy-pasted and suspiciously similar, and it paints a concerning picture. That said, some users may find temporary comfort due to the physical design offering basic neck alignment, but expecting it to cure sleep apnea or snoring entirely seems unrealistic. We're not saying it's a total scam, but the way it's being marketed definitely calls for caution. If you're still curious or thinking of buying it, the product link is tagged in this video, but we strongly recommend watching the full review, so you know exactly what to expect before spending your money.